Listen up, seniors. We have an event coming up just for you, and it's a perfect time for you to learn more about maybe some of those things you've been avoiding. But here to tell us more about the Senior Symposium that's coming up in October, we have with us our guest, Sherry Loebmeyer, who's Recreation Coordinator. Sherry, always great to have you here.
Thank you, Amy.
And right next to her, we have Maureen Walker, who is with Assisted Living Locators. Maureen, thank you for being here today.
Thanks.
All right, so Maureen, I'm going to start with you.
Okay.
Can you tell us what is the Senior Symposium?
So the Senior Symposium is an educational day that we go through, and we've been hosting this for a couple years now.
Okay.
And we used to have a different name, so if you're confused, it used to be a different name.
Okay, that's helpful.
We have 3 breakout sessions and also 3 workshops to choose from.
Okay, all right.
We also will have other senior agencies there and a free lunch.
All right, so Sherry, tell me, who should attend the Senior Symposium? I'm assuming some seniors.
Seniors should definitely come to our workshop. And also, if you have caregivers or if you have adult children who would like to attend, it's for everybody. So.
Okay, awesome. And so this event, as you mentioned, Maureen, has been going for a little while now. About how many people are you thinking might participate this year?
We're expecting about 200, and we can do more if we get that, so
Right.
200, yes.
Okay, all right. And one thing that we didn't mention yet, and I'd like to make sure that we touch on, is that the event is being held at the Island Grove Regional Park. So there's plenty of parking and space, and so as many people that wants to come can come. So there's also a group of people, I'm assuming, that helps put this together. There's a committee of folks.
There is a committee, and we've been working on this event for the last year. So they work on PR, they work on sponsors, they work on the media, they work on making sure the vendors are here, and of course the big thing is speakers, because if without the speakers, we don't have an event. So that's a big task.
Exactly. Well, and as well, Maureen, volunteers.
Yes, we expect about 40 volunteers, and we have about 27 depending exhibitors.
Okay,
Yes.
so no small cookies. There's a lot that's going on that day, lots for people to experience. Sherry, tell me about the classes. It's much like, I guess I want to say, any workshop or symposium, there's kind of some breakout sessions. Give us all the deets.
Well, I'm going to tell you that we're going to start with 3 different breakout sessions and 3 classes each. And Maureen's going to go into details of maybe quickly what those classes are.
Okay, Maureen, tell us all about
Quickly,
it.
but
Yes.
I do have to look. So we're going to have topics on wills and testaments.
Okay.
We'll also, we have a great subject on grief and aging. Also adult protective services, Medicare services will be there. We have a downsizing person who is also, she does staging for aging is what it's called.
Oh,
So it teaches
okay.
you how to downsize.
Nice.
We also have living well with dementia and how to deal with dementia in the here and now. And then we have senior housing options.
Okay, all great topics and all things that I have to say that I myself may not think about, that a lot of people may not think about, but we really should. So this is a great opportunity for people to learn more about those. Sherry, tell us about some of the benefits of being a part of those classes. I'm assuming some of that is, again, that avoidance factor.
Exactly, and just like what you said, people don't always think about it, or you think about it at the last minute. Somebody passes away, and then all of a sudden you're trying to scramble to figure out what you should do. And so here's the time now, while everything's calm for you, come in, take the classes, learn about things, and then it's not so rambled when the time actually comes.
Exactly. So Maureen, before Sherry mentioned about some of the folks, the instructors, the folks that are going to be teaching these classes. Can you tell us a little bit about those?
Yes,
that are
we
new there?
have actually lawyers and attorneys, different people like that, and we also have people that specialize in Medicare.
Okay.
And everybody that's presenting has a specialty in the area that they are from.
Okay. All right. And also, as mentioned before, was that we're going to have the exhibits. Can we get more details about that?
We have all kinds of exhibits. So some of those people who are sponsors will also have a table out, such as Grace Point, Home Instead, all different agencies. So if you just thought, oh gosh, I always wanted to come and talk to the Alzheimer's Association, now's your chance, because you can go up and talk with them in like a more friendly atmosphere, and you don't have to feel afraid to do so.
Exactly. So in the last minute or so that we've got here, I want to make sure that we hit some of the highlights of this. Is there a fee to attend?
There is a $10 fee
Okay.
if you can.
Okay. Awesome. So we hope for the 10, but that's actually.
We don't want anybody to be turned away because they don't have $10.
Well, and that's a really great benefit in that is so much for $10 to come out and do that for a day. Is if folks are wanting to attend the event, how do they register?
They can register online, and I think you're going to post that online, or right at the Active Adult Center, we will have registration forms, and also if you do need to, we can mail one to you, so just let us know.
Okay.
Give us a holler.
Awesome. Anything else that you guys want to make sure that we touch on?
We just hope that everybody comes out and visits us, and it will be a great day.
Okay, well, Maureen and Sherry, thank you so much for being here today and telling us more about the Senior Symposium.
Thank you.
All right, so make sure that you get more information about this upcoming symposium that is going to be on October 5th at the Island Grove Regional Park. Again, in order to do that, we want you to register. We have weldsenior.symposium.org. You can call the Active Adult Center, or you can also check out the Weld Senior Symposium on Facebook. So again, head over, get all the details at weldsenior.symposium.org.